Hi, everybody. My name is Pamela Rose, and this summer I'm going to be teaching what is frankly my favorite subject, talk about the great women of the American Songbook. So what do Laura Nyro, Loretta Lynn, Peggy Lee, Carole King all have in common? Well, they wrote some of our most beloved and unforgettable songs. And their lives and their struggles to be taken seriously in their industry is just kind of fascinating and I think very inspiring. We're going to start from those early Tin Pan Alley days to Cotton Club, Broadway in the 30s. We'll go to the Hollywood musicals, country music, any Dolly Parton fans, Motown, the singer-songwriter era of the 70s, and we're going to end up with the music of today. So I do this with video clips, sing-alongs, and a lot of research that I can't wait to share with you. You'll learn quite a bit about changing tides in American culture. You'll learn about American music, and we'll celebrate the frankly unsung, excuse the pun, women of the American Songbook. Hope you'll join me.